It's
there.
Chef Chris Valdes. How are you, darling?
What better way to celebrate National Paloma Day than us three together?
Can't think of anything else.
And for breakfast.
Yes. Okay, first and foremost, what is a paloma other than a dove in Spanish? Did you know?
No,
paloma?
I didn't, but thank you.
Paloma
That's
and
what I
dove.
learned today.
And aside from your middle name, the Paloma,
And my middle name, that's right.
It's a drink typically made with tequila or mezcal with grapefruit and citrus and sometimes a little splash of tonic or club soda. It's refreshing. It's perfect for the summer. And for today, it's perfect for breakfast time. So.
Okay.
Where are we beginning?
Yeah, okay, so we're going to start right this way, and I'm going to
Here, you
come
go
over
over
here.
here.
I'm going to make some breakfast for you. Are you ready?
Thank you,
We're
yes.
terribly hungry and
We're going to
thirsty.
start with a typical classic paloma, and today we're going to be using this flecha azul reposado that is additive-free, so that's an added value right there. And it's been aged for 6 months. So we're going to pour this with some grapefruit juice, with some simple syrup, some fresh lime juice, very important.
Okay. Very fresh,
grapefruit
very
juice.
Oh, there is fresh lime juice.
Fresh lime juice, very important. Fresh lime juice. Never buy the store-bought. So
I
we're
just
going to give
didn't
this a
realize
little
there was
pour.
lime juice in a paloma, but there is lime juice.
Yeah, very important, yes.
Look at me.
Have you tried the dancing with the shaker? You want
No,
to give that a
but
try?
if
Just
you want me
top
to,
it right there. Yeah.
okay.
Give it a
Do
little.
a little.
It helps you.
Eso.
It helps you.
This is
There
going to
you
be
go.
the best tasting paloma ever.
There you go.
Because that
There you
dance.
go. You gave it a good. So, and then we like to pour this over ice, and we did a little rim of tahini right there, just to add a nice little kick. And
This is
here,
delicious
here's one
already.
for you. And we're going to garnish these with these dehydrated limes.
I love a
You always have to
dehydrated
garnish
citrus.
it. It gets everything in the mood. And
Yeah.
you want to pass one
Wow.
there.
This is very true.
And so this is the
Marisol?
classic
Lemon.
paloma. And there's the little cheers there.
Chin chin.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, salud.
It's delicious.
Oh, it's perfect.
I'm
This
gonna-
is better than my
I'm
coffee.
going to hold on to this for safekeeping.
And by the way, I
That's
like to serve this with a little simple appetizer, fig jam, a little toast, prosciutto, and manchego cheese. So it's
I
just
love a
simple to go.
manchego.
Yes.
Don't mind if I do. Thank
Enjoy.
you.
So,
Here.
Okay. Thank you,
so
ma'am.
there you go. So
Now-
while you're enjoying that, I'm going to start with this one. This is called I Love Your Neighbor drink.
Is this also a
Because we
paloma?
and this is a different type of paloma that we're going to make with this ilegal mezcal, which is basically a young mezcal that has not been aged, and it's basically artisanal, sorry. And then we're going to pour this with some grapefruit juice, some lime juice, and we're going to top it off with a little bit of tonic water.
Excuse you.
Tonic
And
water.
remind us the name of this one?
This is ilegal.
Illegal.
Ilegal mezcal.
Or if you
And
may,
the name of the-
illegal mezcal.
And the name of the drink?
I love your neighbor.
Aw.
Do you
I
love your
love
neighbor?
your
Do you girls even know your neighbors?
I love my neighbor, Brian and Joe. Shout out to Brian and Joe. You guys are the best. And their
I
dog butters.
don't know my
Here
neighbors.
you go, breakfast
Oh.
again. Cheers.
Salud.
Cheers.
Salud. And what's the rim here? Is it sugar?
A little salt.
Oh, salt. Thank you.
Just to be a little more salty this morning.
I don't
the
need any of
tonic.
that.
The tonic is a nice
that.
little bit.
So I had some lime juice, no simple syrup, some lime juice, some grapefruit, and
And the
then
mezcal.
you have your
My
your
God,
mezcal.
I love mezcal.
I love mezcal too.
So smoky.
I
and
love
perfect.
all
nice.
tequila and mezcal.
And then
as
you
well.
have paired a ceviche with this?
With a little ceviche as well, yes.
Beautiful.
I
That
was
we make-
warned there's no shrimp in here.
No shrimp, no shrimp. But it's a very basic recipe, but that's what makes it beautiful. We have some flounder that we did with some peppers, some onions, some cilantro, lime juice, and salt. So it's simple and easy to go. And then another appetizer that we have here is some fried plantain chips that we topped with
plátanos.
ropa vieja, which is
Oh, yes.
Latin shredded beef, and then we topped it off with some garlic aioli right there.
Oh, my
There you go. So it
God.
has a
Put me
nice
on the
crunch
beach
and
right
whatnot.
now with
And
this.
this is fresh seafood. I cut it up this morning, and you just mix it, and you let the acidity of the lime
Yep.
juice cook it.
I can
So
feel it. I can
you
taste
can
it.
feel it?
Oh, perfect.
This ropa vieja is...
I like how you say it. Say it again.
Ropa vieja.
Old
vieja.
clothes.
Exactly.
Can you say that, ropa vieja?
Ropa vieja.
Oh, wow.
Exactamente.
Vieja, as we say in Puerto Rico.
I've been teaching her Spanish.
Ropa vieja.
But fun fact, if you are walking around Miami and you say vieja, you're calling her old. So
Yes,
they'll probably...
that's what they call her mother.
Yeah.
But she calls me Nina. It's okay. It's a
Okay.
thing. Everyone loves it.
Okay.
Chris Valdes, you have outdone yourself once again. Paloma 2 ways, even one to go. All the treats. Thank you. This is a perfect way to celebrate Paloma Day.
This one is a perfect way because you
know,
just
pass me
open
one of
you,
those.
you just open it. If you don't want to make any of this, it's a
Simple.
sparkling paloma via carrota, and it's just sparkling.
Oh, boy.
Pop it open.
It's
and
the
look at
lazy
that.
girl's paloma.
This is so
I love
cute.
That.
I love it.
Sprayed myself.
Cheers.
Thank you, sir.
It's always great spending time
I'm
with
going to go
you.
back to the first one.
Salud.
Cheers. Thank you.
Salud.
Salud.
Mwah.